Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed with another lecture, lecture number 42. We'll work on verb today. It is in the form of a worksheet. I am not going to provide you any worksheet, but whatever I present you, you will write it in your notebooks. Verb. We'll start with the definition of verb. A verb that is an important part of speech is a verb is a word that tells about an action or a state of being of some person or a thing. It shows the action or the state of being of some human being or something. It is the main part of a sentence. It is also called the oxygen of a sentence. You know, as we human beings cannot live without oxygen, in the same way, a sentence cannot become a sentence without a verb. It is very important for a sentence. No sentence can be complete without a verb. Here are examples: write, drink, play, build. All these are verbs, and verbs have three forms. First form, that is called present. Second form, that is called past. Third form, that is called past participle, and we'll discuss all the forms and verbs. Here is a question. Question number 1. Underline the verbs from the following. Here comes the list. These are certain words, jumbled words. There are verbs and certain other words. We'll underline only the verbs. Walk. Will you tell me walk is a verb or not? Yes, walk is a verb and we'll underline it. Walk has forms walked, walked. Kitten. Will you tell me, is kitten a noun or verb or what? It is not a verb, it is a noun, so we'll not underline it. Kitten means the young ones of a cat. बिल्ली के बच्चों को कहते हैं stop. Stop is a verb. It shows some action. Stopped are the forms of stop. You will add another P and ED. STOPPED, stopped. Paper is a noun, so we will not underline it. Calculator. You all have calculators you use in the classroom or at your home for calculating. Calculator is a noun, so we will not underline it. Eat is a verb. The forms of eat are eat, ate, eaten. So we'll underline it. Book is a noun, so we'll not underline it. Mouse. You might have seen a mouse here and there. Mouse is a noun, so we'll not underline it. Water is a noun. It does not have any forms in the form of verbs. It is a noun, so we'll not underline it. Sang is a verb. Yes, sang is the second form of sing, so we'll underline it. Sing, sang, sung. Stood is also a form of verb. It is past form of the first form, stand, stood. We'll underline it. Blanket is a noun that you use at night while sleeping. It is not a verb, so we will not underline it. Writes is an action. You write. It is a verb. We'll underline it. Write. Its forms are write, wrote, written. Pig is a noun. It is not a verb, so we will not underline it. Let's see some more exercises for you. Dear students, here comes another question for you, that is question number 2. Write the other forms of the following verbs. Here come the verbs in the form of a list. First form, second form and third form. First form of the verb is called present, second form is called past, and third form is called past participle. Raise is the first form. Can you tell me what may be the second form and third form of raise? Raised and raised. Second and third form are the same. Advise, advised, and again advised. Advise is a verb, nasihat karna. If you remove this s and add e here, advice, that will become a noun. Advise, nasihat karna. And if you write C instead of, in place of this S, that will become noun, advice, nasihat. Learn, its second form is learnt, or if you add ed, that is also the second form, learnt and learned. Third form, the same, learnt, learned. You can add t at the end of the word or ed. Lie, it means पढ़े हुए होना किसी चीज़ का. Lie, lay, and it may be different for you. Lane, lie, lay, lane. Next is swing. It means झूला झूलना. Swing, swung, and swung. Second and third forms are the same of swing. Drink, it is very easy for you. Drank and drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. Next is write. Write, wrote, and third form, written. Write, wrote, written. See is the first form, second form is saw, third form is seen. See, saw, seen. These are the past and past participle of these verbs. There is fourth form of verb, that is called present participle. If you add ing with these verbs, that will become fourth form or present participle. Raise, but keep it in mind, if there is e in the end of the word, you will remove e and add ing. raising, raising, that will become present participle or fourth form. Advise, you will remove this e, then add ing, advising. Here add ing, learning. But here is the formula that is a bit different. Any word that ends in ie and you want to change it into the present participle or fourth form, you will remove this I and e, you will add y and ing. lying, lying. Swinging, add just ing. Drinking, add just ing. drink, ing. Write, here is e, you will remove this e and you will add ing, writing. See, you will add ing at the end of the word, seeing, seeing. Let's see another question as well. Dear students, here comes another question. Question number 3. Complete the sentences using the verbs from the following list. Here comes the list: sang, wrote, go out, eat, will visit, stood, play. We'll use these verbs to fill in the blanks. And here come the sentences for you. Number 1, I dash an apple every day. Every day is a word, is a signal word that tells us we'll use first form here. I eat an apple every day. Number 2, let's dash for some ice cream. Let's always takes first form. Let's go out for some ice cream. Go out is here. We'll use the verbs here from this list, as I have already told you. Number 3, we dash still for our picture. We'll use here stood. We stood still for our picture. Stood still means to stand motionless. You know, when we want to draw our picture, we stand very motionless so that our picture may be very good. Number 4, Ali dash a letter to his cousin last Monday. Last Monday is a signal word that tells us we'll use here second form. I would advise you, please understand these signal words. These are very important. These signal words help us to find out the correct verb. Ali wrote a letter to his cousin last Monday. Number 5, we dash cricket in the playground daily. Daily is a signal word that tells us we'll use first form here. We play cricket in the playground daily. Play is here. Number 6, the singer dash a sad song last night. As this is the last Monday and we used second form here, in the same way here is last night, again we'll use second form here, that is sang. The singer sang a sad song last night. Sentence number 7, The students dash the Lahore Zoo next week. Next week is a signal word. It means the action will take place in future. So we'll use here future form of the verb, that is will visit. The students will visit the Lahore Zoo next week. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. I hope you might have understood the concept of verb, the forms of verb, and how to use the verbs in different sentences. You will write all these questions in your notebooks. If you face any problem, if you feel any question, you may comment in the feedback group. I'll be there to answer your questions. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.